Yo guys, let this be your warning. Please do not let that resale make y'all sleep on the release of the Air Jordan 4 White Cement. You guys already know that's probably gonna go down as one of the best sneakers of the year. It's gonna bring people out of the woodworks. People that ain't been a little bit on the hush hush about snagging them, and people are gonna be in the malls, waiting in lines, all types of stuff, similar to the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallics and the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games. We're gonna break it down in today's video. These Air Jordan 4 White Cements, they about to go crazy, man. Yo, what's going on YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another video from your boy, The Vintage. I'm back, bro. It's like a double upload, you know what I'm saying? Your boy been feeling good, and I have a lot of content that I wanna do. It will come with time. There's a couple of things I gotta do in order to bring some stuff to fruition, but just know it is definitely coming. You guys gonna see some crazy stuff come to the channel very, very soon. But if you guys are new here to the channel, you're already rocking out with the vibes, man. Make sure you guys go ahead and subscribe right now. Hit the notification bell and make sure you guys leave a huge like on today's video, man. Go ahead and spend them likes. It take a couple seconds and it tremendously helps the channel. And I can't go any further, bro. Can't go any further without saying congratulations to my brother. He got kicked, man. Shouts out to my boy. He hit that 100K, bro. That is the most tremendous milestone you can do on YouTube, bro. 100K is like that first, like, accomplishment, I would say. Even though I was grateful for 10K, 20K, I was grateful for everything, but that 100K just felt, so totally different. So I know how you feeling, bro. Congratulations to you. Y'all go head over to He Got Kicks channel. Tell him your boy The Vintage sent y'all, and tell him congratulations. He already probably like at 101K. So he taking off, bro. Shouts out to my guy. All right, man. We have a package in today that I've been waiting on since February, almost like 3 months now. I've been waiting on these joints, but shouts out to Kanye. This is before, prior to all the crazy stuff he's been doing. I purchased some stuff that he made a commercial for Super Bowl weekend, and I snagged a couple of things, and it was only like 20 bucks per item, so I grabbed a couple of these things. Now I grabbed a pair of boots as well. They have not arrived yet. Just want to show you guys a couple different things. Again, you guys know we traditionally started off with clothing hauls, how to styles. This is coming back, I promise y'all. Just give your boy at least, give it a couple weeks, until we get established, you feel me? But I did grab this little hoodie right here. Try to give you guys some B-roll. Not too sure on what the graphics were. This is really gonna be something I can style during the fall, winter time. It got a nice little graphics on the back right here. And I know a lot of you guys probably just received your package from Yeezy as well, because it's been a little bit of time. So I got that hoodie. I got this t-shirt right here. Don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Probably gonna turn this into a gym shirt, to be honest. Kind of got this like quarter sleeve going on, but yeah, I'll probably turn this into a gym shirt right here. Not too sure how to style it yet, but your boy trying to get deep in this bag, you feel me, in terms of styling. And I also got these jogging pants, which happen to be very, very huge. You guys can see the logo going down the pant leg right here. Just a pair of black sweats. And again, your boy trying to get in some more fits and how to style. So you guys gonna see, a bunch of more clothing hauls very, very soon. All right, now back to these Air Jordan 4 White Cements. I did a whole earlier review. I did not do on feet because that was not my size. This is a couple months ago. I had them joined super, super early, and that kind of inclined me to think that there might be a lot of pairs out there. These mom and pop shops is getting them, different brick and mortar spots and stuff like that. And the resale was tremendously high, like almost like $500 back in the day, like a couple months ago. And I think I sold my pair on GOAT for like $480. I was like, yo, people really want these things early. And I thought that, the hype and the demand would stay up. And I thought the resale would stay up as well. But you guys already know, man, when it comes high stock, the prices start to drop, on different apps and stuff like that. But I do believe, bro, these will definitely be one of the ones, just like the Black Metallic 5s, just like the Flu Game 12s, where people are going to go out there and grab a pair, standing in lines, waiting for first come, first serve, waiting for those unconfirmed pairs, and there will be a lot of stuff going on. Let's just hope it is very peaceful. I'm tired of the violence over sneakers, but just like you guys see my vlog for the Air Jordan 12 Flu Games, where the app was glitching, get ready for all of that nonsense when it comes to these Air Jordan 4s. You guys see, this is a 24 2014 pair or 2016 pair actually. Got these February 2016, and you guys see the yellowing, you guys see the aging on these, and I need a size 9.5 in these guys coming up on, what is that, May 23rd or something like that. So these are definitely coming to the collection. You guys might even see a double up on these things. But again, kind of touching back up on the resale now. Currently, it is in the high 200s, which of course will drop some more. And we've seen the same type of trend for the Black Metallic 5s and the Flu Game 12s that were released earlier this year. And the prices, you know, started to creep up after the drop because the demand was super high. So don't let the high stock and don't let the resale drop in a little bit deter you away from trying to get a pair. Like, you literally got to put in your footwork, got to put in your leg work. And after what happened to the apps over these last couple releases where you couldn't even secure a pair, you couldn't even enter on sneakers, you couldn't even confirm your pair on FLX, it was very, very bad. So just be ready, be prepared, put in your raffles, put in your footwork. I've been preaching this for years, man. You gotta go talk to your local stores and see what's going on. And just hope that this release goes very, very smoothly for you. And I do believe that, you know, JD and Finish Line got it down packed, but I literally don't have any JD or Finish Line anywhere near me. So I don't know how that works, bro. I'm like the only person that has never hit on a JD or Finish Line raffle. Like, I don't even have an account. It's pretty bad. So if you guys can help me out, please hit me up over on Instagram. Help your boy DaVintage out, man. I do think the resale will drop even more. You probably see it sitting around 230, 240. But again, man, people are gonna be doubling up. People are gonna be even tripling up because this is definitely one of the ones when you talk about Air Jordan 4s or just nostalgic colorways, sneakers of all time. It's definitely up there on the pedestal in my honest opinion. So you guys let me know down below in the comment section if you will be snagging a pair of the Air Jordan 4 White Cements. Tomorrow we also have the Air Jordan 12 Mellows. Let me know what you're gonna be snagging. We got some heaters coming out within the next couple of weeks, and I'm super interested in seeing what you guys will be snagging. And you guys already know the Mellow 12s come to the collection. They're actually right over there. But we're gonna talk about them tomorrow. Gotta get you guys' attention, man. I love you guys. Thank you so much for tapping in. If you got this far in today's video without letting me know something in the comment section, man, drop a comment or two. Leave a huge like. The likes go a long way on the channel. And make sure you subscribe right now. I know you guys rocking out with the vibes. More content coming. Your boy DaVintage is, you know, officially back, man. So all that being said, I love y'all. Thank y'all. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.